Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're talking about the best instrument cleaning kit brush cloth on the market, the SKYNEO Saxophone and Clarinet Cleaning Kit. If you're a woodwind player, beginner or pro, this compact, all-in-one maintenance solution might just become your new favorite accessory. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the SKYNEO Cleaning Kit makes a strong impression with its organized, portable hard EVA zippered case. It's waterproof, shock-resistant, and built to protect your tools whether you're storing them at home or throwing them in your gig bag. With dimensions of 7.9 by 4 by 1.6 inches, the case is small enough to carry easily but large enough to hold everything securely. A lot more than you'd expect for the price. This kit is equipped to clean and maintain alto and tenor saxophones, clarinets, and even soprano saxophones. You'll find 5 different cleaning cloths tailored for various parts of your instrument. These cloths are made from high-quality cotton and are designed to remove dust, oil, and fingerprints without damaging the finish. Next up is the sax swab, one of the most crucial tools in this set. The swab features ropes on both ends. You pass it through the bell and neck of your instrument to pull out moisture, dirt, and grime from the interior tubing. It's efficient, easy to use, and helps extend the life of your horn by preventing buildup. There's also a necking swab for smaller, tighter sections. Insert it through one end and pull it gently to clean the moisture trapped inside. This one's especially useful after long practice sessions or performances where condensation builds up. You also get a mouthpiece brush. It's firm but safe for the inside of your mouthpiece, removing bacteria, spit, and stuck particles. Cleaning the mouthpiece regularly is a must, and this brush gets it done without scratching or leaving residue. Let's talk comfort. The included saxophone strap is made of thick, soft, pure cotton. It's designed to reduce pressure on your neck and help prevent fatigue and pain during longer sessions. Whether you're in rehearsal or on stage, that extra comfort goes a long way. The cork grease and screwdriver are great additions too. The grease ensures your joints remain smooth and airtight, especially in dry or changing climates. And the screwdriver is handy for quick adjustments when you're on the go. You'll also find a thumb rest cushion and a reed case in the kit. The thumb rest helps with ergonomic support, and the reed case keeps your reeds organized and protected. No more damaged or lost reeds floating around in your case. Lastly, there's a soft brush used specifically for cleaning reed surfaces. This helps maintain hygiene and preserves the natural response of your reeds over time. In conclusion, the SKYNEO Saxophone and Clarinet Cleaning Kit is packed with value. It's affordable, practical, and built with musicians in mind. From cleaning tools to comfort accessories, it covers nearly every need for maintaining your woodwind instrument. If you're serious about keeping your gear in top shape, this is one of the most complete and portable kits you can get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried this kit or have another favorite. Until next time, keep your instruments clean and your music strong.